We gotta make this intro quick because I've got only about 1 hour to get this mailbox post installed before the mail lady comes. No joke. Now, like I said, I've only got about 1 hour before the mail truck comes, but not only do I have to install this mailbox post, but I have to take out the old one, and I have no idea what's in store for me there. On top of all that, we live on a very busy street, so I've got to make sure I've got everything. Got to have all my tools, I have to have all my filming equipment, but I have to have everything because I can't leave any of it alone out in front of this busy street. So anyway, enough talking. Let's get to trying to remove this mailbox. It should be easy because it's pretty loose in there, but, well, you know how that goes. That wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Where's the rest of it? Are you kidding me? No wonder why it was so loose. All right, now, gotta go grab the post hole digger and dig a really big hole. It's a 6x6 post. I feel really sorry for whoever's gonna try to hit this mailbox. Don't take that as a challenge. As far as the mailbox itself is concerned, I'm sorry that this isn't a video about making the mailbox. But if you do want dimensions for the mailbox post, I will have the plans and the dimensions available in the description below. So in order to make sure that I got a nice solid post in time, I'm going to use the Rapid Set concrete mix. The Rapid Set concrete mix will be rock solid in 1 hour or less sometimes, depending on temperatures. Like, you can drive on this stuff in 1 hour. Now I could use the red bag, right? But it's pretty cold today and I need this stuff to set up yesterday. So that's another thing that's really great about the Rapid Set concrete mix is it'll set up in cold temperatures. And why would you want to use the red bag anyway? But also, we got a pretty heavy post that we're dealing with today. I don't want to mess around with some red bag. While you watch me dig this hole, I just wanted to take a minute to thank my awesome patrons for their continued support. Since this is so close to the road, I seem to be hitting a lot of gravel, a lot of concrete, and a lot of asphalt. You know, it's funny, I thought that digging the hole was gonna be the easy part. Not so much. All right, I'm at about 2 feet right now, which is where we wanna be, but I wanna go a couple more inches down so we can put some gravel down in there for drainage. Oh, good. I have gravel. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't even remember the gravel until I was at the end of digging that hole. And I thought, oh shit, do I even have gravel? I got some. All right, now let's go grab the post, set it, make sure it's level. I think we're in good shape. We're doing good. We're doing really good. I think all the surprises are out of the way. really heavy, guys. Whose idea was it to make this out of a 6x6 post? Nice. Now, time to get the concrete stuff mixed up, and then we're done. All right. We got about half hour left, so we are still in good shape. Now, even though it takes a whole hour for you to be able to drive on this stuff is still gonna be set up in about 15 minutes. So I gotta work fast. Mixing the whole bag. So we're gonna do 5 quarts of water. Don't forget to put your drill on low speed, high torque. Otherwise, you'll burn your drill right out. Just gonna pour a little bit in right now. So we can make sure it's good and plumb before we pour the rest of it. One more check before I leave it alone. And we're good. We're real good. That is a good looking mailbox. Check it out. Only been 15 minutes. This thing is rock solid. Now listen, did I need to concrete this post in place? Absolutely not. Could I have just simply waited for the mail lady to come through and then started my work afterwards so I had like a whole 24 hours after that? Yeah, but what fun would that have been?